Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to tag your products in Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. Then after opening the browser, simply open the site of pinterest.com. Log into your business account in here and then tap into these three bars at the top left side and then click to create pin or idea ad option. Simply tap into that and click to create new option. Then just simply choose a file to upload into your Pinterest and click to open. Now you can add text and canvas into here and then click to next button. Now you just simply have to scroll down and you will get to see tag topics option. You just simply have to search for the tags that you want and then select the tag that you want to enter and then click to publish. This way you can easily tag your products into Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.